Good morning to everyone. My name is Ashish of CEC from CEC2C. Today's my topic is about on worldwide famous mobile phones. So I have chosen a Oppo mobile phone. The brand name Oppo was registered in China in the year of 2001 and launched in the year of 2004. Since then, they have expanded to more than 40 countries. In June 2016, Oppo became the biggest smartphone manufacturers in China, selling its phone at more than 2 lakhs retail outlets. First brand that came into existence was the Oppo Electronics. Its major product lineup includes more than just smartphone. It manufactures Blu-ray players and universal DVD player as well. The present CEO of Oppo Mobile Company is the company was founded in the year of 2004 and Tony Ken, who is the current CEO of the company, is listed as the corporation. He is the CEO of Oppo Mobile Company, which is actually a subsidiary of the BBK Electronics. Company entered the mobile phone market in the year of 2008, and just within 5 years, it was reportedly the second most profitable company in China. In the year of 2013, among the players like ZTE, Hovia, Lenovo, and Xiaomi. This some of the phones which is introduced in China, and they supply these stocks in India, and they will sell to the customers. What is BBK Electronics? The BBK Electronics Corporation is a Guangdong-based consumer electronics manufacturer with their headquarters and production base in Chang and Dongguan. It is said to be the highest contributor to the tax money in Chang, and thus you can see the introduction of the company listed at People's Government of Chang and Town. The company came into existence in the year of 1995 and month of September. According to the listing of government website, it has manufacturing factories spread in 10 hectares of land and employs more than 17,000 people. It has different branches like that cater to my rate of business that are operational all over the world. BBK Electronics is a giant group which holds 3 brands under its name. Technically, Oppo and Vivo are parts of BBK. As per reports, the brand is going to make 10 lakh 4G phones per month at its upcoming facilities in India, as told by Mike Wang, CEO of Oppo Mobiles India. Some Oppo mobile prices list in the year of 2021. Some new models. Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Oppo Reno 3 Pro, rupees 23,990. And next, Oppo A5 III 2020, rupees 12,989. Oppo F17 Pro, 20,000. Oppo A15s, rupees 11,449. Oppo A5 II, rupees 13,990. Oppo F17, rupees 16,310. Oppo A15, rupees 950. Oppo F15, rupees 18,230. Oppo Reno 4 Pro, rupees 3,300, rupees 33,590. Oppo A5 2020, rupees 11,400. These are some new models of mobile phones introduced in the year of 2021. Which Oppo smartphone has the best display among all? So as of November in the year of 2018, the Oppo Find X has the best screen among all the smartphones that the brand sells. The Oppo Find X has a 6.42 inches AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and 19.5:9 aspect ratio. All the smartphones that Oppo sells in India run on Android operating system. related to Find X of Oppo phone. Some popular brands of mobile like Apple phone, Samsung phone, Xiaomi, Motorola, Realme, Lenovo, iPhone, and some LG companies phone. Some new models of 2021 Oppo mobiles like Oppo A53. Just now I've shown you one new models of all these 2021. So this is the phones. And this also some models, new models. Thank you everyone. Thank you, ma'am.